This is the second severe thunderstorm warning of this summer, and this time it is. That was lightning. I'm just gonna be backing up here. Look at those trees swaying. We're gonna have more branches fall, alright. That was lightning. Pretty sure that was lightning. Yeah, that's bad. Got to say hail, but I don't know if this is gonna produce hail. How dark it is. It is 4 o'clock. The sun doesn't go down in Eastern Pacific time yet. Not East Pacific, I mean Atlantic. All I say is Eastern time. Northeastern time. If you guys know what I'm trying to say. Is that hail? The first severe thunderstorm warning that Bank of Maine had was at the beginning of the summer, which we didn't even get hit by. But with this one, yep, this is severe. You can tell. The warning was put in place as soon as this thing rolled in. Right on time too. Oh! I so got that on tape. That was amazing. That was amazing. I'm just gonna back off. That was pretty amazing.